Beloved, my name is Prophet Emmanuel, Neequaye, the founder and the general overseer of Cornerstone Believers Assemblies International. Viewers, you can like, you can comment, you can also share, and I'm very grateful for that. We are located in Mataiko, near Pentecost Church, Norley Cathedral, Cornerstone Believers Assemblies International. Your marriage and your ministry. Beloved, I would like to capture my thought on the subject, how do you value your marriage? How do you value your marriage? Beloved, how do you value your marriage? People sometimes don't value what they have. They don't even value their marriage. The first thing that you must observe, you must discover, how do you value your marriage? You need to have a bigger picture of your marriage, beloved. You need to have a bigger picture of your marriage. Anytime you enter into a marriage, what you need to do, observe in the marriage is that you need to have a bigger picture of your marriage. When you have a bigger picture of your marriage, beloved, I'm betting you, you see that you value your marriage very well. People don't value their marriage, so they walk anyhow, they think anyhow, they speak anyhow, they behave anyhow, they sit in place anyhow. They even don't even care the value of the picture they have or they see in the marriage. Any marriage you value so much, you must have a bigger picture in that marriage. So when you value your marriage, you have a bigger picture in your marriage. I believe that a lot of people today have a bigger picture in their marriage. It's something that they value their marriage, they believe that the man they will find themselves where it's very crucial. They love it so much. Focus and build your marriage for a better future, beloved. Focus and build your marriage for a better future. When you are in marriage and you value your marriage, you focus and you build your marriage for a better future. Because do you know what? Your children are you going to raise and coming back to you. They're going to see it, whether your marriage is awesome, your marriage is wasted. Amana kesho klo marriage anu bo marriage alo bo marriage. Ese wa ware no fa enije anase wo any buta bi e call aware ni mo. Uri sabuta any si aware ni ema aware ni eso. Ema aware ni ji, ema mpuntuo etmeba aware ni. Beloved, focus and build your marriage for a better future. A lot of people of today, they are building their marriage. Are you building your marriage? What are you doing with your marriage? Beloved, learn to build your marriage. Nobody will build your marriage for you if you yourself will not come to realization and you set yourself to SME to be a dream and be building a marriage. Beloved, always say as a mature person, you must value your marriage and know that the marriage in which you find yourself is very crucial. People wish they will have the marriage you have. If papa say aware unya ya na komenya aware ya unya ya ngobe brenya nka aware ya owo no omuso no nya sa aware no if papa bre you say sa aware no unya ya na kapadista no mo sa aware no. Beloved, I'm begging you, say hold your marriage, which is very important to you. The value you place on yourself will determine the respect they give to you, your partner. Beloved, the value you place on yourself will determine the respect they give to your partner. So if you are married as a man and you misbehave very well, you respect yourself very well, people begin to respect your wife, not you. If you are a lady, you respect yourself very well. In the office, everywhere you find yourself, and you respect yourself very well, you value yourself very well, you demonstrate respect in yourself. I am telling you, ladies and gentlemen, 110% about people, about respect. About I get a flat check, you jibu alone, jibu bule. She cock a bule, you can bule here. Nobody even respect your husband, nobody even respect your wife, beloved. Me e bubu, ni me popu wa kebo fe loko. Akebo fanta because ubulebo anyone. So the value you place for yourself is to make others respect you. You gain a lot of respect in your marriage. You do respect your partner as well. When you value your marriage, others will learn from you and they will seek for your advice. When you value your marriage, beloved, others will learn a lot of things from you. You become their mentor. You becoming their mentor. People look up to you. People learn from you. People learn from you. People respect you. They say, wow. I wish marriage be like this woman marriage. Menyankama marriage to say mama we. Menyankama marriage to say auntie. Menyankama marriage to say Vanessa. Menyankama marriage to say Uncle Emmanuel. Menyankama marriage to say Uncle Neequaye. Because the value you place for yourself, it makes people learn from you, and they wish that they need to have a lady like the way the woman you marry, they also want to get the same woman like the same man you marry, also want to get the same man like the way you get it. Beloved, learn to value your marriage. Marriage is not for school boys and school girls, but it is for mature people. So learn to place value on your marriage. Marriage is not for schoolboys and schoolgirls, but it is for mature people. So learn to value your marriage. Beloved, why do you want to enter into marriage? Why do you see yourself as a married material? Why do you see yourself that you have come to an age that you want to enter into marriage, and yet still you are misbehaving like a schoolboy or a schoolgirl? Now let me tell you, come to a place of maturity. Mommy, you won't say 1 year, you won't say 1 year, and you won't say, you'll be a 1 year, and I hope say, oh, dear, block again, or you be no. There are certain things when you enter into marriage, you place some boundaries that nobody can cross. You place a word called order that people cannot even cross. You place a word like a respect for yourself. So people begin to know that you value your marriage and you respect yourself. People wish they were married, but they don't have the ability and the opportunity. Thank God for yourself. Thank God for your life. Beloved, learn to value your marriage. As a marriage person, the vision, mission, and the goals you set in your marriage makes your partner to value you. As a married person, the vision, mission, and the goals you set in your marriage, it makes your partner to value you so much. Beloved, do something. Don't sit down. There are so many works that you can do. With me, I call a crash, I call to idea by beton. Now I call back. Which man develop something, which man's trying to do to a baby, who come back door, who come back passing. The same as a man started to do something. If a man doesn't do something, you don't force in life. Your wife will be nature, you might be not like you. It will even rather hate you. So please, beloved, learn to do something, and I'm betting you see growth, you see blessing, and people begin to value your marriage. My name is Prophet Emmanuel. Neequaye, beloved. I love you, and I'll come your way the same day, the same time. Beloved, you can share, you can like it, also give a comment. People are going through a lot of things. People are going through pain in marriage. People so our remo. People married for a marriage. Offer no share magic, share the message na me. Why me no share? Me to to na me chaki, na me na nearly, na me be na me marriage. And may God bless you so much. When you want wait me boy, wait to support, you can send us something small, talking for you to buy something. And you want cameras to publish this program. And I'm believing you that God is going to bless you. See you the same day. God bless you, and I love you.